Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of movies not found on Netflix. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about Netflix. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. After that we click on clear cache. In this page you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.